Welcome back, friends. I believe now you started applying pranayam and breathing awareness practice in your day to day life. How do you feel? Are you getting any difference in your unnecessary thoughts? What about your focus? Are you getting desired outcome from this practice? If there is something which holds you back to start this practice, then please watch episode 2, Top 5 Myths. If you started and now you have any doubts, then this episode is for you. In this episode, we are going to cover top 5 common questions which occurs in many people's mind during the meditation practice. Why wait? Let's get started. Namaste friends. My name is Rajneesh. I'm a meditation coach and human potential trainer. My mission is to provide life empowering techniques in a simple and practical way. Let's begin. Question number 1. Am I doing the meditation practice correctly? Answer: as long as your body posture is correct and you are focusing on your breathing pattern, then yes, you are doing it correctly. If not, then please adjust your body posture and keep bringing your focus back to the breathing pattern. Question number 2. When I'm going to get the significant difference in my stress level? Answer: stress develops from unnecessary thoughts, from lack of action, from undesired results. Regular meditation practice makes the mind calm and relaxed. With a calm and relaxed mind, your focus will improve and you will start getting your desired results or better learning. Already there are so many things in your stress bucket. Please do not add outcome of meditation as well into it. Make a meditation practice your daily ritual. Do not make it as a task. Enjoy the process. You may start getting the results within couple of weeks, maybe in couple of months, or maybe in a year. That's fine. Do it in a discipline. Question number 3. My mind keeps wondering, what should I do? Answer: mind is the one which created everything, from needle to a rocket. All these vehicles, computers, all the amazing technology and art surrounds you are created by mind. Mind is very powerful, but a complex machinery. If you know how to use it, then it is your loyal friend. Otherwise, a dangerous enemy. Mind works on patterns. Patterns which is created consistently for an extended period of time. Your status quo is a result of it. Now we are trying to change the patterns. It will take some time. When our new pattern is deeper than the previous one, then the results will start coming. Then you won't be happy, you will be amazed. Question number 4. What if I skip or forget meditation practice for a couple of days? Answer: if you'll make it a part of your daily rituals, like brushing your teeth, bathing, exercise, then it will become on autopilot mode. You no need to remember that you have to do meditation, it will come automatically. But anyhow, if you missed it, that's fine. Take it easy. Start again. Do not wait for the right moment, right condition, right place. Just take action. Question number 5. Why I'm not getting the same sensation or feeling every day from this practice? Answer: our body and mind are interconnected. How our body feels, it directly impacts on our mind. Whether you are feeling lethargic or energetic, focused or sleepy, it directly impacts. And another reason is how mentally busy you are. Whether there is a lot of chattering in your mind or it's peaceful and calm, it also impacts in your meditation practice session. That's the reason I personally recommend to do meditation practice early in the morning when mind is already calm and relaxed, and with the least effort you are able to achieve the meditative state. Great. Do you have any other questions or any other challenges in your meditation practice session? Then please write in the comment box. I love to look at those and respond it back. Friends, keep focusing on your body, your mind, habits, and mitigate your limiting beliefs. Just remember, you are a Ferrari, but in a locked garage. Open the garage and enjoy the full potential. I wish everyone joy, peace, and an abundance of success in your life. Stay active and keep smiling. See you soon. Till then, namaste.